Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Collins and I'm going to be giving you instructions for how to take your AR reading test. So once you're on the Chromebooks, remember we're going to log into the Chromebooks using email, Sierra Vista Room 20, and the password is Mrs. Collins. Okay, once you're in, you're going to be on the desktop. Yours looks a lot different than mine, but you're going to go to Google Chrome and it looks just like this. It's the circle with the red, green, and yellow. This is our internet. Okay, so you're going to click it and you're going to open it. Once you've opened it, you'll see up here right underneath the address, I've added some bookmarks. Your bookmarks are different than mine, but you're going to go and you're going to look for the one that says AR Reading. It's the last one, just like the last one on mine. Okay, so you're going to click on AR Reading, and it's going to take you here. Okay, and this is where you're going to log in, so you're going to use your username and password that I gave you. I'm going to be Angel today. Hi, Angel. Sorry. Okay, so if you guys can go ahead and you're going to put your username and password in. Now, if you get that it's a mistake, that your username or password's wrong, I want you to look back and make sure that you used an I or a 1 correctly. Capital I's and 1's can be confusing, and zeros and the letter O can be confusing. So try, if you're getting an error message, try using a different one. So actually, Angel, I'm going to try being someone else. Like, for example, if I were going to be Julian, okay, Julian, yours is J-R-E-N-T, and then it's the number 1, but that 1 looks like it could be an I, okay, so if you get an error, you need to try the other one. The other one that can be really difficult is like Luz, you're Luz, C-O-R-O, they're all like the first letter of your first name and then your last name, and then that could be an O there, Luz, or it could be a 0, I don't know which one it's going to be, so I'm going to try both. Put your password in. Okay, I'm going to log you in. Okay, so it's an O. But if you got something else, if you got an error message, you can go back and try the other. Okay, so once you're all in here, Mrs. Ruelas, you can pause this video right here and then walk around and make sure everybody gets to this page. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and then you can hit play once everybody's here. Okay, so hopefully everyone's here now. So now what you're going to do, you want to look and make sure that's your name. So actually, I'm going to be Luz right now. So you can see your name right here. And then what you're going to take is this star reading. So you're going to click on this first one, star reading. Okay. And then it's going to ask you for this password to enter the monitor password. I'm just going to tell you the password here. So it's going to be ADMIN. It's like administration, A-D-M-I-N. Okay, that's the password. And then you're gonna click start. And then it's going to give you a reading test. So it's really important that you all do your best on this test. It's going to give you practice first here. And this is going to give you each a reading level. So this is an important test that you do your very best on. So take your time, do your very best. And make sure that you're not doing anyone else's test, just your own work. Okay, so you can go ahead and finish this test from here.